What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hola mi gente de YouTube, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Gracias por mirar este video. So for this video, I am going to show you guys how to create this look, this eye look right here. It is beautiful. It is very extra, but I feel like today was an extra day. You know, so I was in the mood and I was just like in my creative zone. So this is what I came up with. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. If you guys want to see how I create this eye look, then keep watching. Oh, ew, look at that. I gave you guys a cup crease, what's it called? A sunrise, a sunset, a deep night. So yeah, let me show you guys how to create this eyeshadow look and then we'll finish the whole look. Okay, let's go. Okay, so for the first color, what I ended up doing is picking up my color and just slowly doing circles and just filling each section with this color. We're not blending out yet and we're just doing small circles. So keep your circles nice and tight all the way until you complete your shape. We're gonna go in with the actual MAC 217, and from the 35V palette, I'm picking up this shade. And what I'm doing, I'm going to do the exact same thing that we just did with the purple color, but I am doing it above, like right on the line of this purple color. So we are going in with this shade right here, and we're going to blend on that line, right on the line of the shade before. Okay, so the color that I am using for the outside shading is actually this guy, and this guy is from the 35M palette. We are going to go back in with the red from the previous color, this one. We're gonna go back in just to apply it where it was originally. Okay, so now we are going to go back in with that purple shade, that deep purple, and we're gonna go back in just in circular motions. To cut my crease, the brush that I like to use is another MAC brush. I don't know the name of it, but it's the one that looks like a paddle brush. It's my favorite one. I know a lot of people use like small brushes to cut their crease, but you know, I just feel more comfortable doing it with a big brush. And the concealer that I'm using to cut my crease is actually the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and honestly this worked out amazing. It didn't even crease, nothing. So every time I cut my crease, I always like stop and look at the other one because I usually stop at the same places. So you just want to make sure that your shape is the same. So this one's like out more and this one's more like circular. So I need to make sure that that part is even. See, that's more the same shape. And then we just tap it out. just to make sure it's drying, because our concealer is still nice and wet. We are going in with our pigment. So the pigment that I'm using, that I use on this side, is called Gold Metal, and it's by Islay Cosmetics. And then I just keep going back into my pigment and just pressing it on the lid just to keep that brush nice and flat. So in order to get that crisp line at the top, we have to absolutely make sure that our brush is flat and coated with the pigment. Just like so. And I'm not going to take my pigment all the way back. I'm gonna leave this area like this because it's still wet and tacky. So I'm gonna start feathering in these colors in. We are going to just apply in the same order the same colors. The only difference is that we are going to go in the eye, and we're going to go as an angle, so instead of just like adding the layers this way, we're gonna add them this way, so it's gonna give us a beautiful gradient. And we're just gonna do the same method. So load the brush and start with circular motions. Also, I keep referencing this eye just to make sure we are on the same page. And then circular motion. I'm gonna go back in with that deep purple. Just pretty good. So I ended up mixing Access and Secure, just to add a little bit on these parts, just so like it blends like seamlessly. Now we're going to go back into the pigment. I am just going to use a little bit of the Mario Badescu spray, and I'm gonna spray it. And I have a little bit of that pigment already, and I'm just going to finesse a liner out of it. Now I'm gonna go back in and clean it up a little bit with my precision brush and a little bit of that purple pigment. And let me take a little bit of that red. And then finally, that last color. I think I lost some of this color here. I'm going to use the Maybelline Studios. This is my go-to eyeliner. It's awesome. So I like to use this brush, and I'm just gonna stamp my liner right there. Okay, so now I'm picking up black eyeshadow. Okay, so I think that's the best I can do to make them even. So now I'm just going to press my black eyeshadow on the liner. That was the liner. Let's add some lashes now. And that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try this eye out. If you guys recreate any of my makeup look videos, please tag me on Instagram, follow me. I will link my Instagram down below. It's Melissa Ruby Beauty, as always. And yes, tag me and I will repost you on my page. And yeah, I'm excited. If you guys recreate these looks, any of my video looks, then please tag me in them. Don't forget, if you want to see the rest of this face tutorial and check out the Jeffree Star brushes, then click the next video. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, adios.